What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Start Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm going to do a quick reflection on a few of the dividend stocks that I'm going to be buying. I'm going to show you my M1 finance distribution, and I earned some dividend income with one of them today. I'm going to just go over a little bit more in depth, and of course, I'm hoping my TSLY ETF dividends buy more shares for these dividend stocks / REITs. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check these dividend stocks out right now. First dividend stock / REIT that I'm starting to target right now is Wiki Properties. VICI is a symbol, sitting at $29.81. It's Wiki. I saw, I conquered. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. I took Latin. And these guys specialize in a lot of casino properties. Their FFO is pretty strong. I'm going to be very brief with these guys. I'm going to go over the revenue trends and dividend history. I do believe the FFO is pretty strong. This is why I'm buying more. Average volume is 4.96 million. The market cap is 30.21 billion US dollars. Year range is 29.29 to 35.69. Day range is 29.80 to 30.12, and its previous close is 30.04. Now check out these revenue trends with these guys. It's fantastic. Now, I'm not going to go too in-depth with these guys. The FFO is pretty strong, and I stand by that. I do believe that it is pretty strong, and I'm not giving financial advice for entertainment purposes. Only disclaimer in the description. But again, 90% of a REIT, 90% what they make, go back to investors. So this is their revenue annually in millions US dollars. 2017, 187. 2018, 897. 2019, 894. 2020, 1,225, 2021, 1,509, and 2022, 2,600. That revenue is huge. Now, what makes me confident about these guys is the revenue trends, and I'll show you their dividend history. So these guys are a quarterly dividend distributor, a real estate investment trust that distributes quarterly dividends. Now, right here in 2018, it was 16 cents. Then it jumped to 26 cents, and it jumped to 29 cents. It was a little stagnant, 29 cents in 2019. Then it jumped to 30 cents at the end of 2019. Then at the start of 2020, it was 30 cents. Then in 2021, it was 33 cents. So even during a pandemic, they were pretty strong. And these guys, like I said, these guys are very specialized as a REIT. And then 2021, it was 36 cents. 2022 is 36 cents. Then it cracked 39 cents in 2023. So they have a payout ratio that's 75%. That's kind of high, but of course, it's a real estate investment trust. So you're going to have higher payout ratios. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 8.01%. If you bought one share, you made 156 with a 5.19% dividend yield. That's pretty strong, especially for a REIT with a dividend growth of 8.01%. Now let's jump to the next dividend stock. Next one I'm going after is Energy Transfer. There was some most recent news, as you saw right here. Energy Transfer to acquire Crestwood Equity Partners. That was very promising, so I just wanted to point that out. I saw that recently. But these guys have been down a little bit, and I did sell these guys, and I'm going to rebuy them. I sold their shares for TSLY, and I'm rebuying them right now. The average volume is 11.80 million. The market cap is 40.14 billion US dollars. Year range is 10.02 to 13.67. Day range is 12.56 to 12.88. This previous close is 12.56. So I'm going to have to do a remix on these guys and really go in depth and explain to you guys why I like these guys, maybe sometime next week. But I'm going to go over the revenue trends and dividend history, and then I'll go over the final dividend stock, which I'm going to be a little bit more in depth. And the revenue trends have been pretty strong. Let's start with annually in millions US dollars in 2016, 31,000. 2017, 40,000. 2018, 54,000. 87. 2019, 54,200. 2020, 38,954. I would blame the pandemic. 2021, 67,417. 2022, 89,876. So there's an increase in revenue, which is pretty attractive. Now let's jump to their dividend history. So starting in 2018, here's a quarterly distribution at 31 cents. To 2020, and then there was a little bit of a cut. I would blame the pandemic in 2020. Then it jumped to 18 cents. 2022, back to 20 cents in 2022, 23 cents, 27 cents, then it cracked back to 31 cents. So the payout ratio apparently is high right now. Yes, I know there's a risk, but I'll take that. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 7. Annualized dividend growth in 5 years is negative 7.43%. I would blame the pandemic. If you bought one share, you made 124 with a 9.87% dividend yield. This one's a little bit more risky compared to the one that I'm going to be going over next and the one that I previously went over, so which is Wiki Properties. But I'm just letting you know I'm buying shares. I feel pretty good with that. And again, do a little bit of tax loss harvesting and see what happens. But I really like these guys, and I really like the comeback that they're making, and it convinced me to buy them. And I will do an in-depth remix with these guys. Let's jump to the final dividend stocks that I want to go over. I'm going to go over the major car financer, Ally Financial. Big company. I feel very confident in it. These guys have taken a hit. They're sitting at $26.93 right now. Their dividend yield is 4.46%, a PE ratio of 7.37. This is even better. It was beating the S&P, and now it's not doing too hot. I'm definitely capitalizing on it. Average volume 3.74 million. The market cap's 8.12 billion US dollars. Year range is 2159 to 3788. Day range is 2688 to 2761. Its previous close was 2737. So let's go over these guys revenue-wise and a little bit more in depth. So let's start in 2016, 9,835. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2017, 9,866. 2018, 10,466. 2019, 11,618. 2020, 10,780. And then 2021, 10,690. And then in 2022, 12,199. So there was an increase in 2016 to 2022. I want to go over a little bit more information. There's a few things with the earnings per share that are a little bit interesting, but I still feel pretty confident in buying these guys. Ally Financial in 2020, the annual EPS was $2.88, a 33.64 decline in 2019. Ally Financial in 2021, the annual earnings per share was $8.22, a 185.42% increase from 2020. Ally Financial, the 2022 annual earnings per share was $5.03, a 38.81% decline from 2021. So all this stuff looks bad. Okay, Ally Financial EPS for the 12-month ending in June 30th, 2023 was $3.72, a 46.55% decline year over year. So you're seeing all these declines, and this is why I'm capitalizing. Ally Financial EPS for the fourth quarter ending in June 30th, 2023 was 99 cents, a 29.29% decline year over year. So 2020, it was 288, 33.64% decline. 2021, 822, 185.42% increase from 2020, and it was 503, a 38.81% decline from 2021. And then the 12-month ending in June 30th, 2023 is 372, a 46.55% decline year over year. I had to repeat myself. I just wanted to make that clear. So these guys are taking a little bit of a hit, and this is why I'm going after these guys. I've seen this happen before. I went after a few financial sector stocks. Some things like this were taking a hit, and then they just all of a sudden rebounded. So I'm going to take the risk in these guys, and I'm going to jump to their dividend history. So right now, this is quarterly distributions. I'm going to start in 2016. It was 8 cents. 2017 it was 12 cents. 2018 it was 13 cents. To 15 cents. 2019 17 cents. 2020 19 cents. A little stagnant 2020 2021. And then it jumped to 25 cents in 2021. 2022 30 cents. A little stagnant at 30 cents. But I feel okay with buying these guys. They have a payout ratio of 30% right now, according to Zacks. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 4. Dividend growth in 5 years is 18.17%. If you bought one share, you made 120 with a 4.38% dividend yield. So that was a big comeback. And since these guys are a little bit at a discount, I'm targeting these guys. So if I would rank the 3 dividend stocks that I mentioned, actually with one REIT or real estate investment trust, I would say Wiki Properties would be number 1. Ally would be number 2. I mean, Wiki Properties is way up there compared to Ally with dividend growth. I think in the future, because the FFO, which I did not go over, and the revenue trends, I think that'll be overpowering with Ally over time. This is just me. And then Energy Transfer at number 3. So I just want to be clear. I will jump to my disclaimer in a second. But you know, you guys have been fantastic on this YouTube channel. I'm going to continue to post videos for you guys. Tomorrow, I'm going to go over CSWC as to why I like these guys and why I've been buying them. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Make sure you smash that like button, and I'll see you tomorrow. So make sure you subscribe if you're new to this channel. Take care. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. This is not financial advice. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. Do not take this in any form of financial advice. And even look in my description of my videos. This is not financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. There's a risk when it buys, when people make buys with dividend stocks. You can gain a lot of money, you can lose a lot of money. I've lost money before. So, you know, there is a risk with investing. You are going to look for financial advice. Seek financial advice from a financial advisor or somebody that is certified to give financial advice. And again, this is for entertainment purposes only. I'm very transparent with my buys and my sells. Some stocks that I purchased in the past, I have sold. So I just want to make that clear. I do own shares in Wiki Properties. I do own shares in Ally. And with Energy Transfer, I will be buying some shares. Hopefully, I don't know if it's going to happen within the next 72 hours. We'll see what the dollar cost average or dividend distribution will happen. But I do plan on buying shares in Energy Transfer. I'm going to confirm with you. I'm going to be long with Wiki Properties and Ally unless something crazy happens. So I just wanted to make that clear. If you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching this disclaimer. Take care.